Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to set schedule and swipe to right on Todoist application. So how to set schedule and swipe to right on mobile on Todoist application. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Todoist app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Todoist app. Next, tap the settings icon at the top right. Tap General menu. Tap Swipe to right. And tap Schedule. So that's it, tutorial how to set schedule and swipe to right on Todoist application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.